welcome back to my channel, and today's video is really exciting. And anyway, if you don't know me yet, I'm 𝕨𝕚𝕚𝕚 and I usually make iPhone related contents and I also make daily vlogs. So if you like this type of videos, you better subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, turn the notification on, and also follow me on Instagram. It's 𝕨𝕚𝕚𝕚. And today, as you guys have seen in the title, I am going to unbox this baby. Woo! It's iPhone 13 Pro Max. It's the gold one and 128 gigabytes. This is so big compared to this, so I really can't wait to open it. And anyway, thank you so much for loving my iPhone 7, and I still love this iPhone, and it's really a good iPhone, especially for this year. It's still okay to use this, and maybe next year is still okay too. Changing into a new iPhone doesn't mean that I hate this already. I still love this iPhone, so if you just bought iPhone 7, especially if it's because of me, because some of you guys commented and also DM'd me that you guys bought iPhone 7 because of watching my videos. And don't worry, it's still good, but you know, it's been 5 years and I also need to change this to upgrade the camera, because I think this is the proest Pro ever, and the camera is bigger, and also yeah, of course you can shoot cinematic and something like that. Yeah, so without further ado, let's unbox this baby. Let's open this baby. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's so pretty! Let's take it out. And then inside the box we have the guidebook and sticker. I think the sticker is kind of different, the paper type. So what's inside is one Apple sticker and also the 1-year Apple warranty explanation and also the user guide. And the last thing is we also get this SIM card removal tool. For the charger, we only get this cable. It is from Type-C to Lightning. And now it's the time to remove the sticker. Ooh, oh my god! Okay, so now I'm going to open the power adapter. And then I also bought this screen protector. I bought it from Shopee, and I'm going to give you the store name in the description box so you can directly click on it. And let's open. So the screen protector comes with the frame to make it easier for you to attach the screen protector. And then it also comes with the cloth to clean the screen, and also the cleaning wet wipe and the dust removal sticker. The first thing you need to do is to put on the frame, and then we need to clean the screen with the wet wipes. And then wipe off the wet parts with the cloth, and then remove the dust with the dust removal sticker. then I bought this really cheap casing. It's a transparent casing, and I'll attach the link in the description. Okay, so now let's turn on the iPhone. It says hello in different languages. This is a language. Country origin. Indonesia. And then I'm choosing to set up manually because I don't want to move my files and data to this iPhone because it's gonna make this iPhone full of the files. So let's have a fresh start, and I'm going to set up manually. Continue, English US, continue. Making the Face ID is super fun because I haven't done this before since my iPhone 7 cannot do this. And then next we have to enter the Apple ID and also connect the iCloud, and you need to approve it from your other devices. And in here I'm using my MacBook, so I need to enter my Mac password. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and stay tuned to my other contents because I'm going to make a camera test and also battery test and something like that, so you better stay tuned. And yeah, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the other videos. Goodbye.